Welcome guys to Talal Al Jazeera Trucks Equipment Sharjah Industrial Area 3. Today I have this beautiful QS15 C600 engine, Cummins, USA. You can check the specifications of this engine. This is beautiful and powerful engine. It's equal to my height. You can check the size of this engine. 600 horsepower, 2100 Newton meter of torque. I'll show you the back side of this beautiful engine. You can check the turbos. I'm showing you the front side. You can see this is wholesale turbo. This is the oil filter. It's a complete engine. You can see the condition. It is neat and clean, ready to go. 100% original Cummins USA. If anyone wants to buy, please contact Talal Al Jazeera Trucks Heavy Equipment, Sharjah Industrial Area 3, United Arab Emirates. I will mention the company number in description. Thank you guys.